Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw and learn letter V. V is done. Now V for vase. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. You can also watch our previous videos from the link given in the description box below. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video, you get notified. Color type. For V, I am using deep blue and light green shade, and for the vase, I am using pink and purple shade. Thanks for watching.